Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. 6 reasons why sleeping without clothes is a great idea. Sleeping naked or in underwear, pajamas or a nightdress is a matter of personal preference. But do you know that you go to bed without anything, better for your sleep and health in general? 1. It helps you to fall asleep faster. Are you interested, how? If you are sleeping under a blanket, like most people, removing clothing before going to bed will help your body adjust the temperature faster. When you take off your clothes, you release the heat in the trap, and your body takes less time to reach a comfortable temperature so you fall asleep. 2. Helps improve sleep. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, feeling uncomfortably hot? Therefore, going to bed in the nude makes you less prone to awakening because of discomfort. 3. It allows your skin to breathe. Sleeping naked exposes your skin to more air, even if you are under a blanket. It also helps you sweat less and prevent wrinkles. If you sleep without any clothes pressing on your skin, it will look smoother and younger. 4. It can help burn calories. When you sleep naked, your body works a little harder to maintain its temperature than when you are sleeping in clothes. This means that your body consumes more calories to keep you warm. This is a good reason for your bedroom to be a bit cooler. 5. This benefits your reproductive organs. As you probably already know, bacteria and yeast use a warm and humid environment. Your underwear, or other clothes in which you sleep, blocks heat and moisture, which gives yeasts and bacteria an ideal nutrient medium. Sleeping in your clothes cannot directly cause a bacterial, or yeast, vaginal infection, but if you are prone to this type of infection, try sleeping naked. 6. It boosts your mood and self-esteem. If you sleep naked, especially next to your partner, increases the production of oxytocin, the so-called hormone of love, and hormones of happiness. And it reflects your mood, confidence and, subsequently, your relationship with your close partner. Keep this in mind. To enjoy the comfort of sleeping naked, take a shower before going to bed and change your bed twice a week to wake up, feel fresh and clean. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.